Hello everyone, good evening. My name is MySQL and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve this particular error that I have on my screen. Okay, so I created a very simple user registration form and I tried to insert data, and I have this database is read only error message. Okay, so one of my subscriber commented on one of my videos on how I I I created an installer, okay, for Visual Studio application, and he said he had the same error. So today I've decided to do this video just to teach him and every other person on how to solve this error. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, I'm going to go straight ahead and show you how to solve this. Okay, so I'm going to click OK and I'm going to close this application. Alright, so I'm going to click on the Windows Explorer and I'm going to navigate to my C drive or local disk. Okay, so I'm going to go to program files x86. I'm going to go to Netkill Technologies. Okay, so that's my company name. That's the one I used to create the setup file. So I'm going to double click to open, and this is the application name. All right, very simple one. User register register user, sorry. Okay, so I'm going to click on it to open, and I'm going to give grant full control to all the system users, okay, for these two files, the register db and the register db underscore log. That's my database name. All right, so depending on what your database name is, okay, so I'm going to right click on it and I'm going to click on properties. Okay, for this I'm going to click on security, and then I'm under all application packages. I'm going to click on edit. So I'm going to give full control for this user, apply, and then OK. So I'm going to go to the next one. I'm going to click on edit, then I'm going to go back to the second one, and then I'm going to give it full control. Then I'm going to click on apply and OK. So I'll check the system has full control. I'm going to check the administrator has full control. Then I'm going to check the users. Okay, so for that I'm going to give it full control. I'm going to click on edit. Alright, so I'll go back to user. Alright, then I'm going to give it full control. Okay, so this list of usernames here might not be the same, okay, but just check yours and then give them all of them full control. Okay, I'm going to click on apply. I'm going to click on OK. Then finally I'm going to click on OK. Okay, so we've done that for the first one. We are going to do this for the second DB file name. Okay, I'm going to right click on it, then I'm going to click on properties, then I'm going to click on security, then I'm going to, for all application packages, I'm going to click on edit. Okay, just same process, guys. Apply and then OK, and then I'm going to go back to all restricted packages, then I'll give it full control, click on edit, then I'll check the all restricted packages, give it full control, apply, then OK. Then I'm going to check for system users and administrator all has full control. Then I'm going to go to users, then I'll click on edit, then I'll go back to users and I'll give it full control. Then I'm going to click on apply and then OK, and then finally I'm going to click on OK. So guys, that is it. So we're going to go back and test our application. So that's the application name I created, user register. Okay, it's a very simple one. I just created this using C#. Okay, so for username, for student name, my name is MySQL. I'm going to enter that, and the rec number, I'm going to enter a very demo rec number. Okay, the phone number, I'm going to enter my phone number. Alright, so start with +2 3 4 706 072 2008. That's my phone number. Alright, so guys, I'm going to click on submit. So guys, as you can see, it's working very well. Okay, so follow the steps and grant full control to all your system users, to your database, and you won't have that error message again. All right, so guys, if you're watching this video and you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button below, and of course like the video and click on the notification bell so that you can be getting updates from us once we upload good videos. Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to stop here right now and see you in my next video. Bye.